Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today, we are going to present our group project entitled Analyzing Exhaust Sound of Motorcycles Below 250cc. And this is a group project for subject, measurement and instrumentation. But before that, I would like to introduce our group member. So, our team members consist of 5 members, which is me myself, Sulaiman Ilyas, Arif Hakimi Nordin, Aizat Fahmi, Nur Ain Najwa, and the last one is Nur Faiza Abdul Latif. Now, we move on to the next slide.
This lab explores the realm of transportation noise, focusing specifically on the sound generated by motorcycles with different cc. To capture and analyze these auditory phenomena, we employ a combination of technological tools. This auditory data becomes the subject of comprehensive analysis through specialized software, which is Audacity. Through this software, we analyze the recording sound signal to find details such as amplitude and frequency, providing a deeper understanding of the characteristic of the motorcycle-generated noise. Complementing our analysis, we use a mobile application, which is Decibel X. With the same parameter, we will compare it with the data obtained from Audacity software.
So there are 3 main objectives in this project, which is to capture and measure sound signal, to analyze the sound variation of motorcycle with different cc, and to make comparison of sound signal capture with different tools.
This lab project focused on investigating the exhaust sounds of 250cc motorcycles, aiming to understand its environmental and health implications. The study employs standardized conditions, capturing and analyzing 10 seconds of idle mode exhaust sounds from a 250cc motorcycle at a consistent 10 cm distance. This hands-on experience provides students with practical exposure to sound signal measurement and digital signal processing, fostering a deeper understanding of audio signal analysis technique. By exploring the acoustic properties of motorcycle exhaust within control parameters, students gain insight into the broader impact of vehicular noise on human health and the environment. Ultimately, the project aims to enhance students' skill in signal analysis, preparing them to address noise-related issues and contribute to advancements in signal processing and environmental engineering.
Okay, for the next part is the methodology. So basically, our group use a functional microphone to measure the transport noises from a fixed distance. And then, after we measured the noises, we implement the sound signal into the laptop in the application. So, for the first thing, the motorcycle with CC of 100 was positioned in a controlled environment, and the safety measures for both operators and bystanders were implemented, such as there is no other sound and in an area which is really calm and silent. Next, the motorcycle is set at idle, which is 2000 RPM. The sound of the motorcycle was recorded by using a phone reading application by the bystander with 10 centimeter distance from the exhaust. The time of recording was 10 seconds, and the data was taken 3 times, and then we got the average to minimize the errors. Step 1 to step 5 was repeated with motorcycles of different cc, which are 125cc, 150cc, 185cc, and 250cc. And then the data was saved and imported to the laptop. Audacity software was used to analyze the data and also the application from the mobile, which is Decibel X.
Now, let's move on to the results and discussion part. So all these 10 tables were generated by 2 different applications, which is on the left side is the Audacity and the right side is the Decibels X application. We uses these 2 applications to compare our data and to get the similarities between these 2 data. So as per discussion, there are 4 main points that I would like to point out throughout this lab project, which is the first one is the uses of 2 applications. The importance of uses 2 application is to enhance confidence through data validation and cross-verification, while allowing analysts to leverage specialized feature. The second point is comparison of 2 data. By using 2 different applications, we can generate 2 different data and compare them side by side. We can take an example at table 4.1 and table 4.6. So, the maximum amplitude generated by the table 4.1 is around 75 decibels, while in table 4.6, the maximum amplitude generated is around 95 decibels. So we move on to the third point, which is the sounds emitted by all the 5 motorcycles. It is safe to say that all the motorcycles who emitted sound they are safe for community to bear about, which is all the range is from 59 to 75 decibels. So for the last part of discussion, I would like to talk about ways to reduce sounds level emitted by motorcycles. The first one is regular maintenance. Every rider need to ensure that their motorcycles are well maintained with properly functioning exhaust system. So the second one is muffler. By installing high quality muffler, it will significantly decrease the noise level emitted by the motorcycle. The third one is a check for leaks. As leaks, they can significantly increase the noise produced by a motorcycle. And the last one is educate rider. Encourage a responsible riding behavior and awareness among motorcycle riders regarding noise impact can make the community better. So, by combining these approaches, it helps strike balance between enjoying motorcycles and minimizing noise disturbance. As a quote from Pierre Schaeffer, sounds are the vocabulary of nature.
Hi, my name is Nur Faizah, and as for the conclusion, the study found that the measured motorcycle noise level in Malaysia align with established standard, with average ranging from 71.2 decibel to 77.9 decibel, and occasional peaks not exceeding 86.9 decibels. This value fall within permissible limits set by Malaysia regulation, which commonly restrict motorcycle noise to 80 decibel or lower. The minimum variability in noise level support a stable acoustic environment, meeting regulatory requirements for a controlled soundscape. Additional, low cumulative exposure metrics indicate compliance with occupational safety standard, ensuring individuals are not exposed to prolonged elevated noise level. Overall, the result highlight adherence to Malaysian standard, contributing to a noise conscious and environmentally responsible atmosphere. That's all from us. Thank you.